Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, leave your comments. I love to hear from you. I do read them all. And at the end of this video, I'm going to have a update on my doctor. As you know, day before yesterday, I went to the doctor. Well, yesterday I went to the imaging center and I got a PET scan. Then about 2 hours later, the doctor called me at home. He's never called me before. It scared the heck out of me. But I want to let you know what he told me at the end of this video. Okay, today Congress will be back in Washington. They are supposed to vote on a post office bill. As you all know, over 100 Democrats are telling Nancy Pelosi, while we're in Washington, let's do a standalone stimulus bill. Let's get it passed for the people, which will include a stimulus check. Nancy Pelosi is saying no to a standalone bill, and she has good reasons, but on the other hand, her good reasons are making American people suffer even longer because she's not getting her way. All this time it's been the mooch man acting like a spoiled brat. Now it's starting to Nancy is starting to turn into a female version of the mooch man. Come on, Nancy, you was doing so good. What happened? You're better than this. Now my question is, why are they so concerned with the post office? If the post office had gotten managed properly all along, it wouldn't be in the shape that it's in right now. And they wouldn't be needing this extra money. It just smells fishy to me. Why are they so concerned about the post office and not the American people? I think it's all to do with the mail-in voting. We'll have to see what happens today, if anything. Y'all, let's vote them all out of office. I've got a plan what I'm going to do, and I want to tell you about it. You know, you can write in anybody's name you want to. I'm going to write in my own name. If y'all want to write in my name, do it. If you want to write in your own name, do it. Because I don't like either candidate. I mean, I like Donald Trump. I've always liked Donald Trump. Even since I was a kid, I liked Donald Trump. But as a president, he's proved that he's not capable of doing it. I don't believe it's all on him. I think it's the people that's working behind him. He can't do the things that he wants to do. And then Joe Biden. I just don't have no faith in him at all. So we need to vote them all out. Write in your own name. Who knows? You may be our next president. Y'all, I know this is not a laughing matter, but I have to find some kind of humor in it, because if I don't, I'll go crazy. Okay, y'all. I don't know if I'll make another video today or not. It all depends on what happens. A lot is supposed to be happening today, so most likely I will make another video. But also, today at 2 o'clock, I've got a video going live how to make money online. Y'all, please go watch that. Okay, the update from the call that I got from the doctor. As y'all know, day before yesterday, I went to see my doctor. Then yesterday, I had to go to the imaging center to get a PET scan to see if the cancer has come back. Well, about 3 hours after I got home, the doctor himself called me. He's never called me. He's always been real friendly towards me. We kid around and joke around. He's really a cool guy. But he called me himself. And just as soon as I picked up the phone, he said, "Walter," I knew it was him. Scared the heck out of me. He said, "Walter, I just want to let you know, I just got your images back from the PET scan. He said, your liver looks fine, your pancreas looks fine, your kidneys look fine, your lungs look fine, your brain looks fine." I don't know about my brain. But he says, even the throat area where your cancer was looks fine. He says, I think you're cured. He says, I really don't think you need to come to me anymore. He says, he told me what to look for, the swollen lymph nodes, the earaches, the throat pain. He said, if you start experiencing any of those things, call and make an appointment. I want to see you right away. But if those things don't happen, I think you're all right. He says, I really believe you're cured. I said, thank you, doctor. You are awesome. And I said, I got to thank God too. He said, but you do owe me something. I said, what's that? He said, you remember the first time we met, I told you I wanted your etouffee recipe? Well, he knew. He's eaten my etouffee in the restaurants before. He says, you still owe that to me. I said, well, I'll get that to you tomorrow. And I really wasn't realizing what day it was, but tomorrow would be Saturday today. But I'm going to go make a copy of it, and I will get it to him Monday. Y'all, that is some good news. God answers prayers. Don't ever forget that, and don't ever doubt that. Even when he don't answer your prayer, he's really answering your prayer because he knows what's best. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up. Leave me your comments. I do read them all. And just know, I do love you all. Ciao.